Welcome back. Today, we will tell you about a cannon that is very important for you to know about. So, let's get started. To in the theater of modern warfare, power, precision, and reliability are not just advantages, they're necessities. Introducing the 2025 Performance M1 240mm Howitzer, a next-generation artillery system engineered for dominance on the battlefield. Born from decades of combat-proven design and enhanced through cutting-edge innovation, the M1 240mm Howitzer is the most formidable long-range fire support platform in service today. With a massive 240mm caliber, this artillery piece delivers devastating payloads at extreme distances, reaching targets up to 40 kilometers away with pinpoint accuracy. At the heart of the 2025 upgrade is its newly enhanced modular recoil system, reducing stress on the frame and enabling rapid redeployment. The advanced digital fire control system integrates GPS guidance, inertial navigation, and AI-powered targeting, dramatically cutting response time from call for fire to first round out. Command, fire, and maneuver, all in minutes. Despite its size, the M1 240 is more agile than ever. A reinforced titanium alloy carriage combined with a 360-degree powered traverse gives crews unmatched flexibility across rugged terrain. Automatic loading systems improve rate of fire, reducing crew fatigue and increasing sustainability during prolonged engagements. Protection and survivability are just as important. The M1 is now equipped with sensor fusion for early threat detection, autonomous counter-battery tracking, and drone integration for real-time recon and fire adjustment. Every round counts, and every second matters. Designed for joint force compatibility, the M1 240mm is fully networked, communicating seamlessly with air, sea, and ground assets. Whether deployed independently or as part of a combined arms operation, the M1 brings crushing firepower with surgical precision. From deserts to tundras, urban war zones to mountainous fronts, the M1 240mm Howitzer is a symbol of battlefield supremacy. It's not just artillery, it's a force multiplier. In 2025, power speaks louder than ever. And when the M1 roars, the battlefield listens.